This video is just quickly going to show how to load existing models into Wadiso. So you can go to the quick start and then click on the add to list button. You can then browse to and select the model that you want to load. This will add the model to the quick start list, and then you can click on load as active model to load the model into the program. Close the model by going back to the quick start form and then clicking on the close active model. You can also open a model by going to the manage models and then just directly selecting load model, browse to the model that you want to load, and this will load it directly into the program. You can also then close a model directly through the main menu by going to the close model